Can you really make $200 per day on YouTube? Well, let's find out. All right, so can you really make $200 per day on YouTube? Well, there's a lot of examples I'm going to show you today that it is definitely possible. And I'm going to show you real life examples on the people that are doing this successfully and some people that are not doing this successfully, not only on YouTube, but also on their blog. So in this example, let's just look into a mag light. So these are products that you might have already. And instead of just doing reviews on brand new products, you can do them on some products that you already own that you like. And the beauty about this is you can literally make money on any product because we're going to leverage a site called Amazon Affiliate Program. So what happens is if you decide to do a review on a product like this mag light, and you can send them to Amazon's website and you can earn up to 8% commission on it, which is pretty cool. And so in this example, let's just look at Maglite here, 3D. Let me pause this. As you can see, this person's got 13,603 views and not a massive. It's actually a pretty small channel, to be honest. 5,600 subscribers, but that's a lot of views. And they did this video in October, and I am assuming that this video is gonna gain more traction because it was pretty much on the first page of YouTube when it came to this search. So if I look at the description, you can see that they are sending you back to Amazon. So if I click on this, you get sent to this. So this is a light that this person reviewed, and it's 49 pounds in this example. But this is obviously available in US and Canada or anything. You can do it pretty much in any country where there is Amazon. So, pardon me, let's just do some maths here, right? So, is this person making $200 per day? This is just one video, by the way. I'm sure this person has many other videos, and goes to show what is possible when it comes to YouTube. So this person got 13,603 views. So as an affiliate marketer myself, I know that on average, especially if he has a call to action saying, hey, if you want this mag light, click the link in the description. It's about an 8% conversion from them becoming a viewer to them clicking the link in the description. So let's just go with that. So times this by 0.8. So 1,088 people are going to click this link. So once they do that, they head over to this page. And remember, people are looking for this because they want to buy it. They're looking for a review because they want to buy. And this is why reviews are so powerful and can create a lot of sales, because they're already looking for this. And if you just, produce a pretty good review on it, they're going to buy from you most likely because they're looking to buy. So let's just look at this math again. So 1,088 people click through this page. Now, on average, there's about, from them going from clicking to the link to buying, the conversion rate, we call it, is around 1 to 5%. I'm just going to go with the lowest in this example. Let's just say this converts very low. So at 1%, so out of 1,088 people, you do times 1. So 10 people are going to buy, right? So 10 people are going to buy. And again, this could be 5 times more because it's up to 5%. So it could be up to 50. But I'm just going to go with the lowest numbers. Just be as super conservative as possible. So, and this is 49 pounds. So 533 pounds in sales happened here. Minimum. This is a minimum. It can be, like I said, it could be 5 times this amount, which would equal 2,500. So now Amazon pays about 8% commission. That's 42 pounds for this video alone. So you did the video once and it made you 42 pounds. Now, again, this could be up to 5 times more. Let me go back to that. 42 times 5, right? So 210. So that would get you to the $200 mark. Now, imagine you have tons of these videos on your YouTube channel. You're making one, making a couple a week. You do that for a year. Don't you think you can make $200 per day? Like, I know it's not going to be instant, but you're doing reviews on stuff that you probably own already. And sometimes you don't even have to have the product in hand. I know some people that just go onto their website and just give their 2 cents and they send them to the actual affiliate link to that product. So you don't have to have it on hand and do an unboxing. You could even do something like what I'm showing here. Like, hey, this mag light is cool. Look at the reviews. Oh, 9,308 rating. It's awesome. You should buy it. Even though I don't have it on hand, I'm just showing you this website. I'm showing you Amazon. So that's another method you can take. So the other one is there's a blog post. Again, if you're into blogging, you can do the same thing, but instead of making a video, you just do a write-up on the actual mag light. And this particular blog is going to the mag light site itself. So what I noticed is some products you can actually get a direct affiliate link from the manufacturer, and the beauty of that is you'll earn way more. For example, it could be you can earn 30 to 40% instead of 8%. And again, you don't have to handle any of these products. Like, let's say they click your link to Amazon. Amazon's going to do the work for you. Amazon's doing everything. All you did was send them the people. That's all. And same thing with this. You're just sending them traffic or people to their offer. And once they buy, that's it. You're done. You don't have to worry about returns or nothing. This is what, affiliate marketing is all about. So in my next example, I'm going to show you someone that has a ton of views and is just not monetizing their channel properly. I mean, I'm shocked. Tons of views. They can make a killing, but it goes to show, there's a lot of people, especially passionate people out there that do great videos. They enjoy them, but they just don't know how to monetize. Now, before we get into that, make sure you like this video, share this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and click that bell icon so every time I bring out new video like this, you'll be notified right away. And also, if you want to learn affiliate marketing properly, so, something that you really like to do, you have a passion about something, and you want to do videos around that, and you want to learn how to make money by just doing what you love to do, visit my website, themillionairedrive.com. The link will be in the description or be in the first comment below. And we're going to show you how you can properly make money online, step by step, with one-on-one mentoring. That is an important thing. One-on-one mentoring. Students, especially when they're new, they just need that one-on-one help just to get them going. And we offer that. So the next example is this tape measure, best tape measurer. This person has 689,822 views. I'm shocked about this. First of all, their blog doesn't work properly. I'm like, why would you do that? That's a big no-no. And not only that, like, they reviewed all these tape measurers and they didn't monetize this. I would send them to Amazon minimum. I mean, if you look at Amazon here, like, let's look at the first one here, the DeWalt one. They're selling them for $33 to $61. Just pick one, and you're ready to go. So let me just hit enter. So they got not too many. They got one here, and there's two available, anywhere between 42 to 39. And again, they have so many other ones. Let's just look at a quick search for this on Amazon. Let's just see if they have it. And they do. So these go for 20 to 30 bucks. Tape measure. Yep, 30. Yes. So yeah, 20 to 30 bucks. Let's click on that. And so there you go. 20 bucks, right? Again, no affiliate link. So let's just do some math, right? So this guy, this person, or this channel, they did this in 2018, and it's actually still ranking today. See, there's the beauty of YouTube. You do the work once, and you get paid over and over again. So let me just do my little calculator. So 689,822. Now, like I said before, about 8% of them will click the link. So it's 55,185. And once 8% click that link, about 0.1 will buy, right? So 1% will buy. So in this case, that's 551 people, roughly. So now I'm going to times this by, just say 20 bucks. It costs about 20 bucks. So that's 11,000. So 11,000 in sales. And this is just from one tape measure. I picked a really cheap one. There's some of them that are 40 bucks here. So I picked this really cheap one. And because Amazon pays about 8%. So this video made $822. Possibly could have from one tape measure. I mean, it could have been a lot more. It definitely could. And this is, remember, I picked 1%. So this could be up to 5 times the amount. So $4,414. So I just can't believe that this person didn't monetize their channel. Another thing you can do is you can do a blog post again about tape measure. You can do a review. You just set yourself up with a WordPress blog, and take some pictures of the product, upload them onto your blog, do a verdict. And to be honest, this person is not even monetizing their blog properly either. So they decided the verdict is this tape measure, I think it's good tape, but not good fit for me. So instead, that's okay, that's fine. But you want to at least say, hey, you know what, the one I really liked, you want to at least sell them on a tape measure that you like. So let's say they did a review on this one. It wasn't good fit for them. But in the call to action, this should be at least showing them a tape measure that they did like, so they can buy it. Send them to an affiliate offer or a product, or direct probably a manufacturer affiliate program, which pays a lot more. So can you make $200 per day on YouTube? Of course you can, right? Of course you can. You just need to be consistent, 1 to 2 videos a week. Just get going, do this for a year. And honestly, you should be making more than $200 per day once you're done with all this. I mean, let's say you're doing a 9-to-5 job already. I mean, you spend a couple hours a week on a video. That's it. A few hours. Like, you're going to work your job, and possibly 3 or 6 months or a year from now, this could be a nice side hustle for you. And if you want to do this full time, you can, if you got it to the point where it completely replaced your job income for at least 6 months. I don't recommend quitting your job unless this has completely replaced your job income for 6 months, and maybe even more than your job. So yes, you can make $200 per day on YouTube as long as you're consistent with it and you do it for a long period of time. And again, this is why I truly believe that you have to be passionate about it, because if you're not passionate about it, you're not going to do it for a year. If you're passionate about what you're doing, you're going to love doing it, and you're going to get paid to do it. So that is pretty awesome. So anyway, that is it for this video. Make sure you like this video, share this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and click that bell icon button for more videos like this and other trainings. And also, if you want to learn how to make money online the right way, take your passion and make money from it, right? Visit themillionairedrive.com. You'll land on this page just like this. You click on Get Instant Access. Put your best email address in. I'm going to send you that free information over. And by the way, when you get started, I'm sure you're going to get started because, hey, everyone loves the side hustle, especially if it can make more than your job if you stay on it for 3, 6, or a month, a year. We're going to show you step by step. We're going to give you a one-on-one mentor. We're going to make sure that you're doing everything correctly. We're going to hold you accountable, right? Because, end of the day, you still have to do the action steps. We are going to just walk you through every single step, but you still have to do the action steps because you need to be doing these things for you to get better at them. And we're going to teach you how, though. We're going to teach you how. All the how-to stuff is going to be laid out for you step by step. And once you're done with this, you're going to have an actionable plan. You're going to know how to implement it and actually get going. You're going to have a full-blown online business going for you 24/7 all year round. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one. Take care, buddy.